Hey traders, welcome to the Science on Forex YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you exactly how to become a profitable trader by explaining multi-time frame technical analysis and order flow perspective. Now not waste any more time, let's go to the strength in the chart to find some good trading opportunities. Okay, so today I am going to talk about GBP USD and the reason for which I want to break down GBP USD because we are very near to having a good trading opportunity obviously capitalize on GBP USD. So I want to create full breakdown that usual I will be keeping as educational as possible. So first of all I speaking about the technical aspect of this market. So I will be breaking down the technical for GBP USD and we will then going to see what we have from commitment of trader perspective which is hedge fund are currently doing in the market, and obviously it will help to you how to combine technical analysis and sentiment analysis correctly. By the end of video, by using the combination of our technical and order flow perspective, we will be able to understand where are the best probabilities for the next movement on GBP USD. Okay, let's jump into the chart. Now starting from the monthly time frame, what we can see in the market. In the monthly time frame, we consider the market first created this W formation. Now generally speaking, after the creation of W formation, what you have to see? This market moved to the downside, complete W formation itself at the previous resistance now turn into the support before creating continuous to the upside, which is in fact exactly market did. In fact market here went and completed W formation at the neckline, nice bearish monthly candle before creating continuous to the upside, completing the impulse correction and impulse pattern to the upside. Exactly we expected this specific situation in the market. Now what we can also notice is that the market here on the monthly has just broken about the very strong structure area. In fact market had very strong resistance here, resistance here, resistance here, and receiving all this movement to the downside. In currently since the market has broken back above this zone by this impulse. As you know, in the market previous resistance, once it is broken to the upside, that is turned into the support. So at that moment this level is acting nice strong support. So we can expect the market go and retest this area before creating possible continuation to the upside. At that moment this previous resistance should act in strong support before creating to the upside. Going down in the weekly time frame, what do we see? In the weekly time frame, we can see very interesting thing. We can see the market just completed this impulse correction and impulse pattern to the upside, rejecting this previous resistance area, now turn support and also creating higher high. In fact, the market with this last move has broken above the previous weekly high, which exactly this zone here, which is this previous resistance area, obviously now turn into the support. Going down in the daily time frame, what do we see? Now here in the daily we have just printed nice impulse to the upside. Now generally speaking, after an impulse what we can expect? We want to see provide correction. In this area we can see very strong resistance area, resistance, resistance and resistance, and which another point broken to the upside and it's now turned into the support. We have very strong confluence of support at this area which the market might easily want to go and test before creating continuous to the upside. Possibility for the completion of impulse correction and impulse pattern to the upside. So here in the daily we can expect night retracement to go in, grab liquidities before the continuous to the upside. Now if we going to see commitment of trader perspective, which is hedge fund are currently doing. Keep in mind, if you check data for the pound, you are ready checking for the pound USD because all currencies on the spot trading against the USD. So we are checking GBP code data, actually checking GBP USD data. What we can see, the last report net position has started decrease. Decrease net position from 13.7k to 9.6k with 7k short added in previous report and 4.6k short added in last report. Now obviously yes, we still have long getting added. Actually more long than short with the last report, and in fact GBP USD just made a nice movement to the upside. But overall we can definitely expect the market to give us correction this kind of situation. Overall what we can expect, nice move to the downside. In additional thing we can notice here on the daily is the market nicely created over expanded W formation. In after over expanded W formation, we want to see the market create a move to the downside again to retest at least on this support. Monthly, weekly and daily time frame combined with code data are the best time frame for the measured direction of the market. When we come to the confirmation and enter to the trade, the best time frame is 4-hour time frame. So what we will be monitoring price action from a 4-hour perspective in this area. Currently we have 4-hour bullish market waiting for the convert 4-hour bullish market to the 4-hour bearish market for enter to the valid sell entry. Trading is a risky business. Please be careful with your money. If enjoy the video, make sure press like button and comment below. Literally that it will support the creation more video, improve your knowledge. We will see you next video. Thank you.